of my very first crawler. It is the Element, it's by Element, Enduro, a 10 scale crawler, RTR. It's my first one, man. I'm pretty excited to unbox this thing. Let's see what she's looking like. Let me go ahead and cut right into it. I ain't trying to be here all day with it. Go ahead, pop it open, break the seal on it. Hopefully I open it on the correct side. Oh man. Oh, this thing looks pretty good, y'all. Let me open it up this way so y'all can see it. So I'm pulling it out of there. Alright. This is her. Looks pretty good. I love the color. Man, see if I could get it out of here. Okay. Got the manual. Got some extra parts like a battery tray, some gears, some body posts. Looks like right there. They did a pretty good job with packaging this car up. They saved the space, everything's sitting underneath and all that good stuff. Got the radio right here. I'll pop that out here in a second. We got here some and 4. All right. Pop her out. Not too heavy either. It's pretty good. Off the side real quick. Here we go, guys. This is the Elements piece in here. This is Enduro by Element, guys. This is her right here. That's another view of it. Pull the radio out. I'm gonna do a slightly in-depth unboxing with it. Just wanted to get out the box so you guys can see what she's looking like. Got your little bind plug like a DR10, same type of bind plug. Got your little manual for the radio. The radio looks very similar to the radio that comes in the DR10, but this one has a few extra adjustments. It looks like on it. It has a little switch up here as well. I believe it might be for the lights or something, but like I said, I'll get into that with a inbox detailed unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys the crawler. Take the body pins off. And I love the color, guys. The color's real nice. This one. Alright, body off. So you got the connection for the lights. Buckle it, nice and easy. See the mirrors, you can adjust them. I guess if you brush up against something, it doesn't necessarily break off, which is pretty cool. Alright, this is her. Man. Oh, this is going to be nice. Real nice. Yep, as you can see, speed control, motor, battery goes up here. It's a pretty small battery tray, so I guess if I got a bigger battery tray it gives you, because I have no batteries that's going to fit in there. Servo up front. Got threaded shocks on here. The caps are plastic, but the body looks metal, aluminum, whatever. Good tires. Yeah, I'm excited, man. Can't wait to run this thing. See See the bottom of it, got the drive shafts under there. And then you can adjust the these little side guards as well, bring it out or further in. I guess it depends on the body you're running. But it's not heavy at all. It's like bead-lock wheels. It's pretty solid. Comes with Dean's connectors. Alright. So again, this is a quick little unboxing of it, guys. So I'm going to try to get into a little bit more detail here soon. I just wanted to show you guys my new, another addition to the UDRC crew. Trying out some crawling. This one, you will see it in some dirt. X-Max, not so much, but this one, yes. I just noticed also, the body, actually the bed is actually, you can separate the bed too. It's like a two-piece, which is pretty cool. So replace that as well. Light buckets in there. But yeah, man, so like I said, just a quick little unboxing. A lot of you guys probably seen this already online, but this right here is UDRC, man. So look forward, let's stay tuned and look forward for the in-depth unboxing and my first run. I appreciate it. Have a good one.